What's up, everybody? We are here with break 1067. Let me fix that so everybody can see. There we go. Teams on the right. Let me know. Let's rip this case open and then we will see which way it's laid out. Like this. So let me know if we're doing left or right. Left, right. Most votes in the chat win. Left or right in the chat. Right, says Danny. What else we got? Oh, the right wants to come out. Hawks and Hornets in the next. Oh, he's got two
Hawks in this, and then Hornets in the next.
Oh, okay, yes, we got both of them.
Yeah, we got them.
Is Danny the only chooser of the side? I'm fine with that. Out here. Danny has chosen. That's good though. Feel that.
That's the way to do it.
We got both sides. You don't even matter. Release day. Let's see what we got. I know I got this camera way too high. Good luck, everybody. We got Jalen Brunson. Rivers. Little Finney Smith. Pat Bev. Quentin Grimes. Wesley. Nuggets. Reggie Jackson. Not numbered short print. Fix this. I think it's. That's the case hit, Photon. Appreciate that. Haven't watched a break yet today. I think I gotta adjust this quick. Just see if I'm. if you see this little fly thing, just make sure we kill it. It's annoying. Alright, I don't know what is going on here. So blurry. See, it just like keeps adjusting it.
There we go.
Yeah, I know, but now it's just like it'll start doing the ear. I don't want that. Be locked in so everybody doesn't get sick watching it. Was that what it was? It was only 70?
It was 107 when you opened.
Yeah, that's why. Okay. I had set it to 120, and that's why. We only need 70. Hey, we did it. There we go. Much better. We're in it to win it now. I read the words off there now. All right, we're in. Let's go. Kuminga. Vucevic. Oh, we got the auto. Kawhi Dominators. EVM. Evan Mobley. 22 out of 99. Cavs. Cavs going out to Yanka. My third case today, one in each. Maybe we'll get two. Get anything cool out of the other two cases? Robinson, Alonzo, Simmons, and Edwards. Silver stargazing. Yeah, Markel Fultz. Brissett, Terry Eason. And we got a lights out Kevin Durant going to the Suns. It's really cool looking. Christian Wood. Chill. Joe Ingles. We got here Jalen Green, Anthony Edwards, David Roddy for the Bucks, rookie Marjon Beauchamp. Right, okay, 197 out of 199. Just vets, huh? Can't remember the other. That's not good. That is not good. Let's see what we can do here. Mr. Collins. Siakam. Diabati. And then Anthony Edwards. Prism lights out. That's super sick. Nard. Burton. And a Tatum for the Celtics. And a Levine for the Bulls. So game ones are worth a lot. We'll do a randomizer at the end for that. And however many more we got here. Trae Young, Russell, Dieng, and Pelicans, Zion Williamson. That's just a penny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotcha.
13 out of 149. Oh, a Chat Black Pandora. That's sick. A Coro.
All these top loaders. Just have like a streak
A
going through.
1.
Yeah.
And a Dia body for the Clippers. Hollow. What, Keldon. Another Beauchamp. Grizzlies. Desmond Bain. Blue. 33 out of 49. Tucker. Clay. And a base. Raining threes. That first one of those. Probably. This first one can just be penny sleeve.
Okay.
So it's just base. Barrett. Dylan Terry. And a Giannis. Stargazing base. A bucket. Van Fleet. And another Van Fleet. I would love to see a Pandora or a gold. Definitely not a Rudy. Go Bursey. Sabonis. Curry. Walker. And raining threes. LaMelo Ball. 56 out of 99. That's pretty cool. Went out to the Grizzlies and Simon.
No, not Grizzlies.
Are the Hornets. What a. Same colors. My fault.
Julian Smith.
William. Very close. Not Simon. William. What was I thinking? I had to see the colors and I'm like automatic with it. Akbaji for the Jazz. For the Mavs. Luca. Let's go. 103 out of 199. Dallas Mavericks going out to Wing. Nice hit. That is sweet. Now that we're closer, who wins the finals this year? So Wiggins, Mobley, and reigning three silver prism for the Celtics. Who's taking it home? Jay Shaw, Peyton Garland, and a John Collins to finish off the box. Box number 2. Daniels, Dinwiddie, and a Strus. Middleton. Keegan Murray. Rated rookie for the Lakers. Max Christie. Three out of 79. Curry, Hayward, Vince Williams, and a base. Reigning threes, Anthony Edwards, Conley, Duarte, Trey Jones, and a Bradley Beal. Towns, Jovic, and a Cam Thomas for the Nets. 37 out of 49. Dang, that just looks like such a cool insert. Lights out Tatum. Graph is guaranteed by Panini. Jaden Hardy for the Mavericks. On card Pandora. 16 out of 25. Mavericks getting it again. Wing crushing it so far. KD, Ingram, Jalen Williams, and the rookies, Keegan Murray. First, the rookies so far. Tatum, Rui, Kennedy Chandler, and Fred Van Fleet. Just all over this case. 195 out of 199. Cade Cunningham, Bobby Brooks, and a Nembard for the Pacers. Hollow. Very nice there. Pacers hit. The Beasley, Gary Harris, Luca, and a Malik Beasley Hollow. Robert Williams, Kuzma, Jaden Ivey base. And we got another one. Steph Curry, Trey Young. The randomizers. I'll do a left-right randomizer for all of them at the end. Horford, Zion, Dominators Hollow, and a Cole Anthony. And Fleet, Herder, Fox, and Tatum Elite Dominators. Well, Gordon, Chris Paul, Sochan, and another one. All-Stars. It's all been different so far. Maxey, Terrence Mann, Bogdanovich, DeJounte Murray, Elite Dominators. Orange. Looks orange. I almost thought it was true gold. Paul George. Benedict. Pacers. And a Ty Washington Jr. for the Rockets.
I don't have schedule information.
Oh, okay. 174 out of 199.
So he doesn't have schedules for that.
She doesn't have a schedule.
Not for that. Whatever the information we were saying, she didn't have schedules.
She didn't know about that schedule. Yeah, she's got to get on the roll there.
Right.
Figure it out, Siri. You're a little bit late. Only like a box and 3/4. It's not that bad. There we go. Oh. First one that's going to be numbered here, Zion and Julius Randle. 91 out of 99. Nothing crazy yet. What teams do you have? You know if you missed anything crazy yet. There hasn't been anything too much. Little Robert Williams for the Celtics. Oh, what is that? Damaged. Hopefully. Only that card. So that doesn't really matter. The base Dort was not what we were looking for, so thank goodness that hit whatever. What's up, Sam? How's it going tonight? McCollum, Griffin, and Dylan Brooks. This one going to the Grizzlies. 11 out of 149.
It's not going to the Pels.
I don't know, man. You never know, right? It's crazy sometimes. Tobias, Adebayo, Morris, and a hollow. Vince Carter AI. How is everyone joining in now doing tonight, huh? What up, Stone? How you doing? We are running breaks. Sorry, it's a separate chat over here that I gotta look at for the one for drip. How you doing? We're co-streaming on a bunch of different stuff. The drip chat is the only one that doesn't come all the way back, but I use the drip chat or the drip screen for my teams and stuff. So Drew Holiday, hollow. These were all pre-sold already. What we usually do is if there's unpaid teams, we sell them on drip afterwards. I got another one after this, but it's also everything was paid for so far. If you're looking to do any personals, we can do some of that too. I don't have any more Optic till next week. Kennedy Chandler and a Vassal, 138 out of 149. We got a bunch of other stuff we can run. Ray Murphy, Ingles, Edwards, and Prism reigning threes for the Celtics. You been in any breaks so far? Paolo Banchero. That's a crazy looking Paolo picture. First one so far. Ray Brunson and a Jaden Ivey base. Okay.
Supposed to be over here.
Yes.
Just wanted to double check on you, that's all.
Yep. Bruce Rivers, Siakam, Mr. Sochan for the Spurs hollow. Grabbing the wrong one. I think we should switch base ones to just like this.
Okay.
It makes sense to keep running those, and they're not even gonna be that much now that I see there's like numbered and stuff. In hoops, the base or the numbered ones are worth a bunch. These aren't gonna be worth anything. Silver though. Man, too many all-stars. We're gonna have a lot of randomizers for those. Jeez Louise. Oh, Bruce Brown. Kenneth Lofton. And the base Steph Stargazing.
Hall is your leaving in there though.
Huh?
Hall is your leaving in there.
Yeah.
Just the base ones.
Anyway, one numbered, yeah. Mr. Barnes, Nurkic, and a base Trae Young lights out. Oh, what do we got coming up here? A little basketball. Insert for the Clippers. John Wall. Unnumbered, short printed on the basketball print. Peyton. Back-to-back basketballs, huh? 76ers. PJ Tucker. Interesting. Back-to-back. Josh Richardson. Dennis Schroeder. Hollow. Kawhi. Garland, Wiggins, buckets. Valanciunas. Jalen Williams for the Thunder. And a blue. See? I don't remember. I think so. DeJounte Murray and Jimmy Butler. 5 out of 49. Added to the randomizer pile. Still Keegan Murray. And a Norman Powell for the Clippers red. 13 out of 99. Packs are wild opening up. Oladipo, KD, Kyrie. And we got our auto. Go on. Baby. Orlando Magic. Doing big things. That is so sick. On card. Paulo. Box number 2. Heater. Orlando going to Andrew. Annie says you're welcome. What happened? Sochan. And a James Harden Dominators. Odie, Obi. Donovan, and Norman Powell Hollow. Last pack of box 3. You picked the right side. Oh, yeah. You were the one. You were
Sure
here.
did.
I wonder if they have Orlando in both halves. I don't know. Benedict on the base and a Tyus Jones. I was like, were you bidding for him and you like just said, no, I'm out? That makes more sense. You picked the right side.
Yeah.
You picked the right side. That's so sick. On card, Paulo. Well, Andrew, if you only have the Magic in this half, you are welcome. He is correct. He was the only vote. Everyone was like, nah, I don't want to pick. And Danny said, I got this.
Fine, I'll pick.
I'll do everything, guys. Watch me. Nembard and a Vucevic. 62 out of 149. Simmons, Danny Green, Little Gobert, Gobber Goober. Westbrook, little tie hollow. Grant, Patty, DeRozan, and Booker. It's gonna be so many stupid little, for no reason, randomizers. Tobias, hollow.
I mean, you're doing even those numbers, so it doesn't matter.
I know.
It's all-
Even
it's all
those
fun.
aren't even that much. Like, unless we hit like a 101, then it would be like, damn, that's actually cool. Stephen Curry lights out base. Look, Kyrie. Little Devin Book for the Suns. 670 out of 79. That's pretty sweet. Going on to the Suns and William. Zion, hollow stargazing. Little Roddy. And for the Knicks, Josh Hart, 5 out of 99. Murray, little Kennard, little Keldon Johnson. That ain't right. Now it's right. This pack feels weird. Damage to these cards. They look good. Edwards, Hardaway, Robinson, Tatum raining threes. I don't know why that was like, felt like smashed. Brunson, Fultz, Diabate, Butler, and Clay. Jalen, LeBron James' Elite Dominators. Lil Uzman. Warriors. Gary Payton. 115 out of 199. Bamba. Cody Martin. Ant-Man. Silver. Prism on the Reigning Threes. Brown. Walker Kessler for the Jazz. And a Trae Young Dominators. Jalen Williams. Hornets. Cody Martin. 72 out of 199.
Try again.
Jalen Williams.
For the.
Ooh, this one's the Hornets.
Okay.
That was Jalen Williams. I said, and for the Hornets, Cody Martin.
I got you.
I didn't mess that one up. Only the
So-
first
So
one.
this one was on me then. We're just taking turns.
You're just waiting for me to mess up. I ain't gonna do it again. I won't do it again. Luka Reigning Threes. Little Dyson Daniels. Pelicans. Going out to Elizabeth. Get There's our first Chet. Little base Chet Holmgren. Stargazing Cade. What is this? Why?
That's tough. That's
That's
tough.
what I'm saying. Like, what are they doing? Busy suing everybody to get their product down pat. Jay Sean. 2 boxes to go.
Give me the slice when you're done with that pack.
Wiggins, Avija Reeves, and Kenneth Lofton for the Grizzlies. Peyton action. Walker Kessler again. And a Draymond Green colored name match. Green, 166 out of 149. Draymond Green on the green line. That was awkward. Oh no, we've got the auto already. Terry Eason for the Rockets. Base rookie auto. Came out of nowhere. Little Wiggins. Braun. And a Jalen Williams. Jabari, and a bucket. Mitchell, Keldon, Zion, Trey Murphy on the hollow. Mark Williams, and a Tatum. Lights out. Is that a gold? 8 out of 10. Tatum gold. Lights out. That looks
Sweet.
real sharp. Is pretty sick. I'll put that one up. That's pretty cool. Oro, Butler, Barton, Miles Turner. That is super cool. Ronzi, Patrick for the Mavs. Little basketball. Kyrie. Oh gosh. Dropped it everywhere. Added mats. Kyrie, the guy nobody ever likes ever.
Ron's everywhere he goes.
I know, right? He just does it to himself, I guess, but I wish he didn't. I have some really cool Kyrie cards that I want to sell. Just can't do it. Trae Young, hollow. Stargazing. Oh, Josh Giddey. Bane. And a Tatum. Silver lights out to go with your gold. Celtics going to Elizabeth. Not a bad pickup there. Christopher, Terry Eason, and Hamidou Diallo. 126 out of 129. Did they take that garbage away over there?
No, I was just forget it's there.
Oh.
No, they didn't. It's there.
What happened? I gotta talk to somebody.
For about the first probably month or so that I was working with you, there wasn't one that was I hit it on accident.
For another like couple months?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
So I just have been
Jordan, David Roddy, and a Tim Duncan, David Robinson. Both Spurs. Doesn't even need to go into the.
here.
Yes. You get a card automatically with the Spurs. Luka, Elite Dominators, base. Your body. And Dalen Terry for the Bulls. Pink Velocity. 20 out of 79. Also known as Dancing Squares, which is my favorite insert. Ray Hollow. Play another little Chet going out to the Thunder on the base. And a Kobe White. 16 out of 49. Man, can we swap those two cards and get a Kobe White base and a Chet blue out of 49 color match? That would have been amazing. Barrett, Portis, Brooks, Trey Man in the hollow. Last pack of box number 5. Emberd. The heck is that? It's weird. And a Luca base. Lights out to finish the box.
Seen anything like that.
Yeah, no, me
It's
either.
like in on the ink.
Thing.
Oh, you think so? Sorry.
I
That's
do.
my bad. Should have just handed that right back to you. Ordered it, that's all.
I don't know why we don't have 2. I got like 3 sitting up front for like 0 reason. I even ordered like 2 more just so I'm like, where are these?
Come on, yeah.
I need like everyone to punch in, and then when they punch out,
They have to.
they just have to return it. Like, this is yours, keep it in your pocket.
Until you're done.
And then when
Can't clock out until it sits on the scale.
you need it to, yeah, it has to even out. Last box before we get into the other half. Let's see what we can do. Matherin for the Pacers, hollow. So many orange. Not enough golds. Tyrese Martin for the Hawks. 51 out of 199. Like this is our last auto right here. Joel and Carl Anthony. Last auto of the break. Just kidding. Jason Kidd. That is super sick. For the Suns. Dominators auto. 29 out of 99.
Sweet.
That is super cool for the Suns. Going out to William. Davis and a Murray. Kuminga, a hollow. Scotty P. Jr. And for the Raptors, Coloco, lime green, 31 out of 149. Josh Hart. Wendell Moore and an Anthony Edwards base. Rain Freeze. Ian Mitchell. And an Elite Dominators, DeJounte Murray hollow. Got upcoming here. Tyson Daniels for the Hawks. DeAndre Hunter. 7 out of 39. Black Velocity. See those dancing squares? That's my favorite, dude. I love this. It's like one of the coolest. One of the coolest. Hoping that was the 101. Squares got in the way. Laravia. And another randomizer, huh? Obi. George and a Diallo for the Pistons. Braun for the Nuggets. Terry Eason for the Rockets. From the Strongest Man made material. Couldn't open it. Other side, super weak. Devontae. And an Embiid Carl Anthony Towns hollow. The Baisley. Little raw. Them Elite Dominators. 5 packs to go. In 1067. On the base. What can we finish this off with? Where oh where? Peyton LaMelo lights out base. Kevin Love, Valanciunas, Steph, base, Warriors, Mountain, Mark Williams, and a Max Strus for the Heat. 70 out of 149. Gordon, Murphy, and a Vassal to finish it off. All right, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3 left, 4, 5, 6 rights on all of the All Stars. 1, 2, 3 left, 4, 5, 6 right. I'm gonna just throw the dice up. There's a 6. 6 goes to the right. All of the All Star inserts are going to the right side. And we need the Celtics. Need the
Magic.
Magic.
Do you want cap or not? Try this one.
This one, yeah. All right. Little recap. We got a little Jason Kidd, Jaden Hardy out of 25 Pandora, Terry Eason, Dyson Daniels, Evan Mobley, DeAndre Hunter, little ball, rain threes, numbered out of 99. A Booker Christie and a Terry Pink Velocity out of 79. Desmond Bain blue. Kobe White blue. Cameron Thomas blue. Norman Powell red. Hart red. Bunch of these orange, copper, whatever you want to call them. Definitely not copper. Definitely like an orange. Van Fleet. Luca. Ty. Cody. Beauchamp. Gary Payton. Tyus Jones. Hamidou Diallo. Tyrese Martin. Vucevic lime. Brooks lime. Vassell lime. Struce lime. Coloco lime. Green. Zion Williamson on the line. Case hit that I forgot already what it was called. Photon. Reggie Jackson. Traded to the Hornets on 2/9/23. It goes to the Nuggets because that is the team that. Clippers jersey. Played for the Nuggets. Traded to the Hornets. Wild. Nuggets getting a case hit. Tatum, gold, lights out. This is a super sick card. And we got a Paolo Banchero. Rookie hollow auto. On card. Let's keep those in the front.
Yep.
You can put those other cards in there too. I just wrote it on the instructions. All right, just give us a second and we'll get the other side going.